Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we have something truly special, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG, a car that blends luxury, performance, and aggressive styling into one perfect package. This is not just any E-Class, it's a beast that commands attention with its bold design and AMG-inspired details. If you love high-performance luxury sedans, stay tuned, because this one is going to blow your mind. Just look at this front end. Mercedes has gone all out with the Panamericana grille, featuring those signature vertical slats that give it an aggressive, dominating look. The sleek LED headlights add a futuristic touch, and the lower bumper design with large air intakes screams performance. This car doesn't just look fast, it is built to perform. Moving to the side profile, you can really appreciate the low, wide stance. The aerodynamic side skirts, the sculpted body lines, and those massive black multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires make it look like it's ready to hit the track. And let's not forget the blacked outside mirrors and trim, giving this E-Class a stealthy yet elegant appearance. Every detail on this car speaks of luxury and performance combined. Now, let's talk about the rear. The sleek LED taillights flow seamlessly with the body, giving it a sharp and modern look. The rear bumper features a sporty diffuser, and those quad exhaust tips hint at the power under the hood. This isn't just a sedan, it's a performance machine wrapped in a luxury package. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it on a twisty road, the E-Class AMG is designed to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Mercedes-Benz has always been at the forefront of innovation, and this E-Class is no exception. It's a perfect blend of advanced technology, premium materials, and high-performance engineering. Whether you're sitting behind the wheel or just admiring it from the outside, you can feel the attention to detail in every aspect of this car. But what do you think? Is this the best-looking E-Class AMG ever? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to MVP Auto for more amazing car content. We bring you the best in luxury, performance, and automotive excellence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.